Shoot me. Shoot me.
Hold on, Jonathan.
There has to be one at the top on the yellow. Please tell me y'all have a key.
Yeah.
Will you grab my key while you're up there?
Mama, I still have my evil laugh.
Shoot me, Tanner.
Huh?
Oh. Here, take that out. There you go. Shoot me. Go. It's got to. Oh! Got to go on the top there.
Oh, he's still shooting.
Tanner, do you need me to fix it?
Spencer.
Not in the Twinkie. Pull it back. Pull it back.
Pull that orange thing back.
Oh! Right in the kiwi. Yeah. Oh. Oh, here. Thanks for not grabbing it. Oh, no. I guess I deserve what I'm getting right now.
Those years of
Great
torture.
family bond.
Where's the other one?
Oh! My goodness. Ah! Ow! Yeah, Brooke, don't hit me in the eyeball. Yeah, there you go. You ain't got no more bullets now, do you? Wait till I get you home. You get a whooping.